Guys, today we're back out here trying to fish, but today we're doing a little freshwater fishing. I have a buzzbait tied on, and I want to see if we can catch maybe a pickerel or some pretty good sized bass. It's very early. It is 6:50 a.m. and I'm hoping to catch them while they're nice and hungry early in the morning. So we'll see what happens. Got a lot of water to cover, but I'm ready for whatever is out here. Here we go, first cast. See if there's an early morning top water bite. What was that? That was massive. That was massive right here. I know I should probably be putting on a frog, but I want to throw the buzzbait for a while, so let's keep on throwing it down here and see what happens. Nothing else gives us a bite, we'll switch. It's a good cast there. Oh, got him. Oh my God, what was that? That thing was huge. I think that was our pickerel. I thought I had him. The minute that hit the water, he went after it. Leave the canal and go to the lake. Let's see what happens on the first cast over on the lake. Oh, there we go. Whoa. Come on. Get out of there. There we go. We got a largemouth bass. Oh, not you, birdie. Not you. You're not entitled to this guy. He's mine. And mine alone. All right, buddy. I got you. There we go. First fish of the day on the Wacky worm on a 4-inch Senko by Gary Yamamoto. There we go. He's very warm. Let's let him go. All right, we are on the board. The skunk is off. The lake produced a little largie. See if we can get some more in this area. I think that's actually the first largemouth bass on this fishing rod that I got. It's the Talavera inshore Shimano fishing rod that I picked up more for saltwater fishing. But I should have a new one coming in today, and we'll see how it performs. Give you guys the detail once it's in. It'll be a little surprise. It's a fishing rod by another YouTuber, very popular YouTuber. Has his own travel rod. There's go. There's another one. It's much smaller. They like the worm. Little guy. Just let him go. Here we go. Gary Yamamoto, watermelon magic. Oh, that's not watermelon magic. That's it. The hook is bent too. There we go. Now we should be back on the action. Fish. There we go. Third small bass of the day. Comes back on the Gary Yamamoto worm again. Hold on, buddy. I'm letting you go. There we go. Nice little bass. Gary Yamamoto worm. Alright, go. Okay, let's keep on doing it. Alright, we got our third bass. He came right off the edge right there. See if we can find some more. Hopefully bigger. Got him. Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. There you go. Okay. Oh, he lost our worm. There we go. Another one. Let's let him go. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get a little video for the talk. See structure, branches in the water. Let's see. Little guy. I thought I felt something. I set the hook and he went flying up in the air too. Sorry, little guy. Thought you were much bigger. Alright, let's start. See if where I caught the first couple of bass will produce some more on the way out. Oh, there we go. We got another one. Definitely produces bass over here. On the buzzbait. There we go. He's nice and warm. Alright, I gotta go, guys. Time's up. We're gonna do a little saltwater fishing later on today, but for now, that's gonna wrap it up. We caught, I think, one on the buzzbait and 5 on the wacky worm. So not bad of a day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Lou out.